Thank you, Missy, for the question. I appreciate it. And you can always ask questions on this channel. Um, your question is it a red flag to date a foreigner with a bar, that owns a bar here in the Philippines? Well, I think you actually meant, is it a red flag that he owns a bar? Um, but let's break it down a little bit. If you're okay with overthinking every time you're not around him, if you're okay with lots of women having his attention, if you're okay with him most likely having several side chicks, if you're okay with all of these things, and probably many more, these are just to name a few, then no, it's not necessarily a red flag for you, right? But if you aren't okay with those things, then yeah, it is a red flag. But again, you guys as adults have to make that decision between each other. If he's willing to get rid of it and do something else, cool. That's between you two. Or if he's not, and you gotta make sure you're okay with that relationship. Both people in the relationship have to be okay with it, right? And so, I mean, I do know of one guy who owned a bar, and he had one main chick, and she didn't know he had 6 or 7 other side chicks. But the side chicks were okay with him having other girls because he gave them allowances and all that. They were happy. They wanted Victoria's Secret. He gave them that. He gave them rent. He gave them all they wanted or needed, right? So I hope this answers your question. Sorry, this is probably not necessarily the answer you wanted, but again, this is my opinion. I'm sure there's other guys out there who might not have gotten into the bar business to pick up chicks, but a lot of them do. Think about it and go from there. Thank you guys for watching, and check out my next videos.